Okay, Lauren, this one's for you. This is room 410 at the Strand Palace. In London, United Kingdom. So you come into the room and that's it. Turn the corner. We have our 2 twin beds. We have 2 windows, which is nice. The windows actually open, which looks out into London. And then we have a chair, king of the castle, and a closet with a safe. Got some complimentary water and chocolate. Room does come with a kettle. Oh, cool. Nope, never mind. It does come with a kettle. I like these outlets. You have US, European, like both Europeans, and then USB. And the washroom. Our toilet, our throne, sink, faucet, and our shower. Alright, that's it. So it's pretty small. It's actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting. And we're gonna go head out, try and get to Buckingham Palace. Goodbye.